Hola amigos, yo soy Darshan. Yo trabajo en Academia Versátil como profesor de español. Hello friends, my name is Darshan and I work at Versatile Academy as a Spanish language trainer. Today we are going to learn the alphabets in Spanish. The alphabets in Spanish are called as el abecedario. Did you know the first three letters A, B and C are there in the title itself? El abecedario. We are going to start with letter A. A is A, B is B, C is C. The new letter which you have in Spanish is Che. D is De, E is A, F is Efe, G is He. Then you have letter H, Ache. I is E, J is Jota, K is Ka, L is Ele. Then you have another new letter that is double L, A. M is MA, N is NA, and the special letter in Spanish, NA. O is O, P is P, Q is Q, R is Ere, and then you have the double R that is Erre. Roll your tongue, Erre. Then you have S that is Ese, T is Te, U is U, V in Spanish is Uve. And then you have two V's coming together, that is the letter W, V doble. X in Spanish is X, quite fancy. Y is Y, Y. And letter Z is Zeta. So if you like the video, do share, like and subscribe to our channel. And also, don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update.